Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Tiffany, and today's video is going to be a foundation review. I'm gonna check back in with you guys a little bit later, like after dinner and all that. I'm making dinner right now, so I think it's like 6-ish. So I'm probably gonna check back in with you guys at like 10 or 11, whatever time before I go to sleep, and wash my face off. But I finally broke my no buy rule and picked up the Too Faced Born This Way matte foundation. I got the shade Chai, just like I have in the regular Born This Way foundation, and I haven't bought makeup in so long. Like, it's kind of disgusting how long it's been since I bought makeup, but it doesn't even matter. If my filming like situation, the whatever looks different, I'm filming on my phone today. My camera is out in the living room. I didn't feel like wanting to get it, but my phone wasn't here, so boom, here we are. I am super excited about this. I love a matte foundation. Y'all already know matte is my go-to foundation, period. Okay, so I wanted to come on here with my fresh face. I got brows, I got eyes, no lashes, and I just wanted to come on here and say what's up, let you guys know what tea was for today's video, and then we could jump right into it. But without further ado, let's just get into it. Okay, so like I said, I already have my brows, eyes, boom. The kids are in the living room with their dad, so if they hear noise, I don't know what's going on out there. I ain't out there. So I'm gonna be using my Saturday Skin Waterfall Glacier Water Cream for moisturizer today. Y'all know I love this stuff, and since it's matte, I don't want my skin to be like OD dry or any of that, so I don't want to use any mattifying primer. Well, I never really use mattifying primer anyway, but for sure not today. Okay, so I'm not gonna color correct or anything because I really don't color correct, but y'all knew that already. I am gonna be using the products that I use all the time, just so that way I know what is tea with the foundation and what is not tea with the foundation. So I'm going to go ahead and prime with the Too Faced Hangover RX or whatever. Obviously I don't have one like no fancy shirt or anything, or like outfit or anything, because I'm literally cooking dinner right now. We're having lasagna. So okay, I know this is definitely not the first review you have seen on this foundation, but I'm gonna go ahead and read the claims anyway, because why not? So boom, 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 boom. This oil-free 24-hour matte foundation masterfully diffuses the line between makeup and skin. Our matte formula stays completely color true while covering imperfections to reveal the all-day shine-free look of naturally flawless skin. Light wear and cover so undetectable they'll think you were born this way. Period. It has coconut water, alpine rose, and hyaluronic acid. So that's period. Oil-free, oil controlling, waterproof, transfer resistant. I feel like most things transfer. Says 24-hour undetectable super long wear foundation. I'm not wearing it for 24 hours. I'm probably not even gonna wear it for like 8, but I'm probably gonna wear it for at least 4-ish, 5 maybe, depending on the time I go to bed. What am I gonna do first? Okay, I'm gonna do under my foundation first because that's what I'll be doing. So I'm gonna use my Matchstick and Cinnamon to give me a little bit of highlight, because she's matte, but you know, you still want a little something, something. So I think I'm gonna skip the highlight over my foundation and just stick with this situation. So, let me find this damn brush I'm looking for to blend it out. This is a Sigma F79 concealer blending brush. Okay, and then I'm going to go ahead and contour with my Matchstick and okay, so I'm just going ahead and contouring with my Matchstick in Espresso. My son's still the top, so I don't know where it is. If I cut out audio, it's because the baby's crying, and I don't want you to think I'm like neglecting my child or nothing. I am definitely not. He's out there with his dad, like I said, but yeah. So I'm gonna go ahead and that's the foundation. Look at the foundation in comparison to the concealer bottle. First of all, this concealer is my favorite, so I'm using it today. But look at this. The foundation, you get 1 fluid ounce, and the concealer, you get a ½ ounce. So, boom. So I got the shade Butterscotch in the Multi-Use Sculpting Concealer. Y'all already know this is my favorite contour period. So I'm gonna go ahead and use this e.l.f. sponge to buff it out. I know that's a lot on my forehead, like bear with me. My forehead isn't big anyway, so like don't come for me because I didn't send for you, poo. Okay, I'm for sure, my sponge. I'm for sure looking OD crazy right now, but I am gonna put the foundation over top of this, so don't be weary. Don't worry, I'm just blending out my contour back around my concealer. Okay, now since I am contour for the gods, okay, finally we're gonna get to the foundation. My mannequins are down there, so don't be freaked out. It's not people. I'm not decapitated heads or nothing. I'm not a crazy bitch, but still not making hits. I'm going to be putting my foundation on now. So I got the shade Chai. I don't know if I told you guys that. That's the same shade I have in the OG. So that's the shade I got right now. Like I said, oil-free, oil controlling, waterproof, transfer resistant, blase, blase, blase. So I'm gonna take, okay, 1, 2 pumps because that normally does what I need it to do. So I'm going to have faith that it's going to do that today. I'm going to just take my brush. This looks a little bit warmer, a lot bit warmer than the original Chai from what I'm seeing, like right off the bat. Okay, so this is definitely a slightly different shade from the Chai in the normal Born This Way foundation, for sure. I am super hot though. Okay, so I'm trying to make sure my face doesn't melt off while I'm trying to show you guys. But this is it blended out just with that pretty much full 2 pumps. I'm going to set my face off camera and then come back and show you guys what's looking like as soon as I'm done. And then I will be back for the final check-in. All right, so this is what my face is looking like right now. I'm feeling really good about it. It is 7:30, so it is quite late at this point. So I've had the foundation on for about ½ hour-ish. I think since the last time I got off camera. I did go ahead and set my face with the Maybelline Lasting Fix matte spray. So even after setting my face with the matte spray instead of like a dewy spray or whatever to like counteract the matte in the foundation, I love how it looks. Like you can still see like the glow up under my foundation from the matchstick, which is popping. It's rare that I just put the matchstick on and don't put like a powder highlighter on top of it, but this looks really good. Like I set my face with powder. I went ahead and used the Koki powder contour palette in deep dark. So I did use this shade to set in my eye and these 2 shades to set my contour. And I knocked my little spray over. And I used my Alamar Cosmetics Blush Trio in Dark Rich, yeah, that I always use. I use this shade in the middle, and I am loving my face. Like I don't feel dry. I feel set, but I don't feel like sticky. I don't feel like my face is just like, give me water. I don't feel like that. I feel pretty good about how it's looking right now. My nose is snatched. Like, excuse me. Like, after like setting everything and spraying, I don't feel like the color is bad, as you guys can see. Let me move up so you guys can really see what's tea. So this is my skin up close. I'm sweating a little bit because I'm hot. So if you guys can see right here, I got a little bit of sweat going on right there, but my face is looking really good. So like compared to my chest, once I'm done like pattern down everything, the match is really pretty. It still is a little bit off from the regular formula foundation. I don't feel like it's dewy. I feel like it's like a natural finish. I feel like the color still is off, but with my face set and everything, I think I prefer this color. So like, since I'm filming on my phone too, I feel like this is more true to like what you'll see in person for me, because I feel like, I don't know, I feel like my phone really just gets all up in your business. So this is what, like, I'm sweating up here too, kind of like, if you guys can see, like, it's not breaking apart or nothing, but I'm sweating because it's hot. These lights are hot as hell, and I don't know if the air's on or what, but like, I'm hot, I'm burning up, I'm moist. Okay, she's moist. But all in all, so far, I really like it. Like, even me sweating, like, I'm trying not to like OD sweat, like do the most, but even with me sweating, I feel really good about it so far. But I will check back in with you guys in a couple hours, because we probably be up to like, we're on a little bit at 10, but it's the 7, it's almost 8 right now. Maybe like 11-ish, I'll check in with you guys, and then we'll see what it's looking like then after I eat and all that, because I'm finna eat. Okay, so this is my final check-in, my first and last check-in. It is almost 11 o'clock-ish. I was done looking for my phone earlier when my phone was what I was recording on, but before I came in here, I think it was like 10:30, 10:45-ish, somewhere in there. But all in all, besides like my normal little crease action that goes on under my eye, but that just is how my eyes are, everything is looking pretty good. I ate, and everything is sitting pretty nicely. So I've just been in the nails, but I'm liking it. Like, it doesn't feel like it's just sticking to my face. Like, if you guys know what I'm talking about, like, I know how you have a foundation on and it just feels heavy and it feels like it's drying you out and it just feels, but it doesn't feel like that. It feels really good. It feels pretty lightweight. Like, I don't have so far any complaints, but I haven't worn it at the house. So if you guys would like an updated like opinion on when I actually like wear it at the house, because I do plan on, whenever the next time I go somewhere that I want to wear makeup, wearing this foundation, let me know. My lips are dry. Like I said, I ate me some dinner. I made lasagna. But yeah, if you guys are in Fayetteville, check out my girl April. She's slick with the nail. I'm hella ashy, whatever, but she's slick with the nails, honey. Look at these bad boys. But that's it for this video. So like I always tell you guys, I'm your girl Tiffany. Thank you so much for watching. If you didn't subscribe before we even got this far, then make sure you do. But if you made it this far, drop a fire emoji down in the comments, because I want to know who made it to the end of the video. But yeah, I'll see you in my next one.